Hi guys, I'm here to really thank this gentleman here, Malik uh Trapman. This guy, I bought some traffic, about total of 175, and uh he over delivered about how many yeah, he'd over delivered 20, actually, let me see, 28 customers. So I hire him, one of the vendors. I try. This is one of the things that you learn from the Wi-Fi system. By the way, Angie Long is the author of that system here. It's a system she put in place. If you're into affiliate marketing and you have a lot of products you're selling in a row, you line them up like this. I noticed she lines them up, 25 bucks here. Um, this one here, I make 80 bucks from the MCA, car roadside assistance service. Aweber is the marketing tool that you need to, after these people sign up, you need to, keep, pull them in, get them to complete hopefully everything on this side. But, but that always happen. Doesn't happen usually. But, it does help, to keep marketing to them, use that Aweber. Aweber costs money. The more emails you have, the more money, it's going to cost you per month. So you get, the 25 bucks you get, I guess they deduct it, or from your account on a monthly, residual every month. So eventually that service becomes free to you. And the first month is free. You don't have to pay. Right now I'm paying 20 bucks a month for it. I've been using it for other, products I have online. But I just want to show people on how Malik did with me. He was generous enough to give me extra leads. And look at that. Look at the turnaround. Opt-ins. This is very good right here. Good news. Opt-in 112. That's 2 days ago it happened. And look how many people registered. 71. And I already got 25 bucks, 20. So that's 11, 12, 13. At Ebates at 25 bucks for every referral that I made, and so far 13. And I've got a total of four. I don't know where that one was. Or one of them. Okay, no, it's total of three. Three of them already, became a member of the MCA now. Now I do have AAA. I have to tell the story with this thing here. I got introduced to somebody online because I'm always on Facebook looking for something, to do to replace my income. I'm trying to live my 9 to 5, and online, guys, is the way to go. It's very rewarding, and every day you get a raise. Talk about getting a raise every day. Now, mind you, it's 130. If I can show you guys how much I paid for this service, you wouldn't believe me if I tell you 130, and I got for 175, 175 leads, and the return's gonna be on that when you do the math, which I did. Where can I find? I know there was a receipt that I was done. I know I paid 130. By the way, when you go on Udemy, you see how much you charge per emails. I can't find the total, but I don't want this video to be too long. But Malik, man, you did a number. I'm gonna go ahead and buy the rest of. I know you have 1,000 leads. This was a test, and you did phenomenally well. And I'm just letting people know, hey, try Malik, man. And you can see I have proof, video proof. My next vendor is him. He's in Germany. He has 85% return on his marketing. He's my. I already have a campaign with him at 100 email list, and he's working on it slowly. Here he is. His name is, and I like the tracking system. This is beautiful. When you guys join in, Angie have step-by-step video explaining you how this thing work. And so for 12, I got 5 opt-ins. So you see it's coming in slowly and surely. And so this is the reason, the main reason is to show you guys, hey, Malik, man, is doing his thing. I did very well, man. 130 bucks. I'm looking at if all 112 join in, when you do the math, I'm looking at this is the return with $130 investment, guys. Ain't that something? You know, so, I will have a follow-up email on this, and, you guys who just sign up, I know I'm gonna make it possible for you to see this video. You guys were my first one, and I want to thank you guys. And you guys, your turn, you're up next. You're up next, you know. And Angie has videos show you step by step how to do this. Do it, guys. It's worth it. Instead of putting your money in saving account, throw it there, man. 130 for 9,000. It ain't bad. It ain't bad, man. So I haven't got paid yet. They have days they get paid. So it's coming in slowly and surely, as you can see. So I'm saying once all this is in, those are opt-ins. Once they all go through, and you know, that's how much I'm gonna make, guys. That's how much I'm gonna make. So this thing works. I've tried so many things online, and this thing here works. You know, MCA has so much benefits, unlimited towing. It has helicopter system for emergency. If you need to be helicopter, it's 16,000. I mean, Angie has videos on these things step by step. And she does the selling. All we gotta do, you know, send people to it. Get the traffic. You either buy the traffic or you work it on Facebook. See, because I have so much project going, I haven't had time to really post ads. But the little I've been posting, look what's happening here. I got 2 sales out of 64. Look. I got 6. So it worked. Twitter, I've not done much, but I got 2 people who clicked on it. No opt-ins yet. I gotta work a little harder with my Twitter account, as you can see. But this is the way, man. This way is gonna do it for me. You know, I can pretty soon I'll get I have softwares for this to get. I'm working on putting up software together to run these. I'm gonna teach people on my team. And guys, thank you guys. Look at this. And once you through, I'm gonna show you how to use other tools to keep this unautomated, where you don't have to do very much. So again, I want to thank you, Malik, for doing this, and get ready for my next campaign, my big campaign of 1,000 email. So this is Udimi. If you guys haven't heard this was new to me too. I've not heard of this website service where you could buy traffic from different vendors for whatever. You can buy traffic for anything, real estate, anything, guys. And this system here, which I'm gonna use for my cryptocurrency, I do crypto. I'm in the crypto world. Line them up right here, 1, 2, 3. I wonder if you could do 4, but so that's a three times. You get paid 3 different ways, man. So this is it. I just wanted to share that with you guys. So I'll catch you on the next video. Stay tuned. All right, guys. Peace.